Naasihi waa kuwaas. You see? Can't see. You people can't see. Niman Soomaaliyeed waa ka soo carare nin madowba iga keenay aniga you know Soomaalida guskiina ka shaqeeya gus balaq guso saan ah. You see them, I will teach you a lesson. Malita ko hello. Son, you're gonna teach me a lesson with this? We've moved on. We've moved on. We know there are better things out there. Nimanka madoga walai. Okay, ani ganin Somali wali gineguma arkis dotan. I'm just telling you right now. You will never see me with a Somali nigga. I am done with them. They can't fuck. Gus was sidan or balak balak. Malinkas, I'm telling you people, stop sigeso. Stop sigeso. Sigeso is make your gus balak balak. You don't want to hear. Hada wa ba 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 no ten ba ba. Nagihi waiting ka arare. Aniga hada qof. Ninka sidan jeclahay. Okay. I don't want to hear Somali. Nin Somali kashin farah. Yeah. Damn. Don't come to me and send me messages. I'm done. One البحر Saturday. Oh my god. Oh shit. Fuck. Wallahi hablo Somalida. Please. Nimanka Somalid hawasina. Go out there, explore. Wallahi bilay talay. Wahan yero san. If you try other people out there, you're gonna be crazy. I think it's yesterday. Wallahi one chirida all day. One chirida all day. Somali, oh my god, you guys supposed to do better, you know. I'm telling you, Sige Sada, you have to stop Sige. So it's not good for you. Gus becomes balak balak because it's like a skin. It's like nasa hamarka tuchines. How can I guard it? You see, it's like ilmaha marka nasa nuga nasi wedayan. Buska nawasidas. The whole time you're masturbating become balak balak. Stop, Sige. So the loss of $10 pay gare was sifian was gare maha silwala gada maha su dibesa Guski taban bunokonya. Oof. Gusto balak balak o naflahin.